My name's James and this is my bike check. I'm going to start up front. I have the Shadow Voltus bars in blue. I love them. They're great bar. Haven't had any problems with them either. Animal Edwin grips. Also really good. I wouldn't ride anything else. And then Odyssey Ocean Blue bar ends. I've had them for a very long time. One of my favorite bar ends that you can get. Odyssey Elementary stem. Great stem, even though not that many people like it, I like it. Kink headset lasted me forever, hadn't had any problems with that either. Odyssey CS2 race forks, also really good. The red and blue Primo spokes. Trying to go with the Patriot theme here, as you can see. And then I have the Madeira Pilot V2 front hub. It's one of the smoothest hubs I've ever felt, and it's in snow. So G-Sport gland, very good. It actually helps you slide better on Smiths and stuff. AMH and Deviant front rim, super light. Aussie white tan wallet Aiken, Sunday third wave. Many people who aren't familiar with Sunday, they always had the waves on the bottom, but now they have them in the top for the third wave. This cable channel, that's actually really cool. And the Redline device cranks in white. I see Burlington sprocket, really good sprocket, recommend to anyone. You know, it's kind of expensive. KMC super light, something like that. I traded my friend so I can get this chain to fit a hub guard in my past bike, and I traded him the Shadow one for this one. The Shadow one broke twice since he had it, and this one haven't had any problems. And Demolition pedals, kink seat post, bought from my friend, cheap. Animal strip pivotal. I like it. It's not too thick to the point that's heavy, and just enough padding. It's perfect. And the KG reverse free coaster. It's a great one. I had a friend who had a Alienation free coaster and broken this one. I haven't had any problems with it. FBM hub guard. Shadow Little Ones pegs. I love those pegs. And this back wheel, I'm planning to get a new one. Not the new hub, just a new rim and spokes. So Alienation Runaway, white spokes. So and then got the Animal GLH folding tire. So yep, that's my bike. I'm filming a new edit for my YouTube pretty soon. Just been lazy so far, so yeah. Just subscribe. So if you're wondering what to expect, I'll give you a demonstration. Please try.